Okay, hi guys. In this video, we're going to look into automatic unwrapping. So before we looked at how to plane unwrap our model and do it manually, and this is the best way to do it, because you're manually working out how you want it to do. However, there is other ways to unwrap your model. Okay, we can go to create over here, and we can automatic unwrap. Okay, so what we do here is it's going to automatically unwrap your model for you. So I'm going to do create, and I'm going to automatic, and I'm going to go to the little options box over here. So there's a few options in here. We've got 6 at the top, 6 planes. What this is going to do is the amount of planes it's going to project onto. So 6 is like a cube. That's generally the best we would go. Now we can either optimize for fewer pieces, which means we'll have less UV shells, or we can go for less distortion. So less distortion will mean that those nice sort of checkerboard squares across the whole thing are going to be more even, more square. So let's try that. Shell layout into square, so it's going to automatically lay out our UVs for us, so we don't need to do that. It's going to scale everything uniform, it's not going to stretch everything, and that's that there. So that's what we get. So if we click project, it's now automatically done that. Okay, so this has done an okay job. For simpler models, this is an okay way to do things. However, for more complex models, I would highly recommend you do it manually. You're going to get these really odd sort of UV shapes there. So if we go to create again and automatic, and this time let's try less distortion and project that. So if I'm just going to select the object and try this. Project. Okay, it's actually given us a very similar result. Now I don't really like how these are laid out, so I'm going to go to my layout and I am going to look through these, pre-shell scaling, preserve those 3D ratios. I'm going to leave it as it is, everything's fairly straight there, and I can go down, I'm going to give it a little bit of padding. So sometimes it's good to start off with an automatic and then have a little look at it afterwards, kind of tweaking it, see how it has, so if we hold right click and go to UV shell, you can see how it's chosen to unwrap things. So you can see these two are in 2 separate parts. So I may wish to just select that edge there and then do a move and sew. Okay, so you can work with, so that's now together there. And then obviously I'm going to want to unfold that one. So if I just go down, unfold that there to kind of tweak that. So you can start with an automatic unwrap and then kind of work from there, stitch things together that you want to be stitched together. This could save you some time. Okay, so that's automatic unwrapping, guys. Use it at your will. I highly recommend you use a manual way of doing things though. Okay, thank you.